What's going on, YouTube? Today I have this 2012 Honda Civic, just a base model. I'm showing you how to do rear shocks today on this. Look over here, this one's leaking, but you don't do just one, you do them in pairs. So, pardon me while I move my things around. This one first. It's nice and clean. I'll get dirty after the video and do the other one. First thing you're going to do is take this 14mm out. Good thing is on this model, even though it bolts through the trunk, this is stupid. They should have just had a couple bolts in there like Nissan does. You don't have to hold the suspension or support the suspension. So let's lower it down. Y'all know the drill. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Sorry I'm busy today if I left that out. Everybody decided to call in sick on me today, so I'm by myself. I'm trying to make videos and get these cars done as well at the same time, you know, multitask. So if I'm talking fast or working too fast, bear with me. This lift takes forever to go down. Alright. It's always stuff in the trunk, but I've seen worse. You just pull your little carpet down here. You get to that top bolt right there. I might have to pull a clip out or two. Make it a little easier. Tuck it down out of your way. That looks like it's a 14 also. See if we can get the same stuff on it we used for the bottom bolt. Nah, it's too deep. It's going to spin on me. So if you want to reach down there and hold it from turning. That's easier said than done. I got an idea. See if I can get some vice grips on there to trap it. What's spinning is that rod underneath that plastic. Alright, that should do it right there. Boom, just like that. Alright, now you should get all these new bushings and stuff, washers with the new shock. Just pull her out, get your tool back. There's a bushing on the bottom too. We're going to set that aside till I get my parts, and we'll resume with this video when I get the shock back. Alright y'all, I'm back with this shock. Got me some good quality KYB. Now, sometimes you won't get new bushings with these shocks. So, these are in good shape. So we're going to reuse them. Alright, just push down on that or get you something, some cutting dikes or something, cut that off. You can extend. Alright, we're going to take the old bushing off the old shock. That's all we need. Put your little sleeve on right here, but your washer first. Alright, now just press your bushing down like that. And it just took part of my glove. Grab a little pry bar here. Just bolt in. Make sure you start that by hand, because these threads are built into this welded bracket right here. Sometimes you could take a hammer. Let's see if I got one down here. Hit it a little bit and get it to go in the first couple notch. Alright. I can see it going in, so we're started. Snug it down real good. Now we're going to lower it down and finish up the top. Pardon all the wind noise, got all these fans on. It's hot. Down south it's humid too. Gets hot and it gets humid. I think the humidity is about 80 to 100% today. 85 will feel like about 105. Trust me, it's worse. I used to live out west in New Mexico. You get in the hundreds, but you didn't feel it like you do here. It's more of a dry heat. We got that muggy heat where you non-stop sweating all day. Come on, any day now, lift. All right. Now, let's find our bushing. Put your washer on. Let's see if I put it on the right way. All right. Yeah, we got a new nut, so I'm going to reuse it. Or not reuse it, I'm going to use it. Because this is one of those self-lockers, I think. Come here. Yeah. Of course, it's spinning. So, y'all remember what we did last time. Grab the rod, grab it up high. I think we're on it. I think. Nope, must not be on it. Come on. Get on there. That should do it. Just tighten it down till you start seeing that bushing squish and the bolt stops. Get crazy with it, you'll split the bushing if you tighten it too tight. And pop your vice grips off. Get a little cover, have a little indentation in it, but it'll be alright. It's just a dust cover. Anyways, that's how y'all do it. I hope this video has been informative. Y'all have a good day. Please check like down below. Please subscribe. Peace out, YouTube.